Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to format the SD card. So for whatever reason you might need to format it, I'm just going to show you how to do it real quick. So all you've got to do is pull down the notifications, and then you'll need to go to your device maintenance option. And here you'll see storage, select storage, and then just select these three little pins here, then select storage settings, and then you'll see your SD card here. So I've got 120 gigs installed, and so far I'm using 19.5 megabytes out of my 120 gigs. So just select it, and then you'll see the format option there. Just select it. Okay, so the SD card will be formatted to make it secure. Formatting erases all data currently stored on the SD card. To avoid data loss, backup data before you format the SD card. So if you don't want to lose anything on this card because it's going to wipe it totally clean, just make sure you back up anything what you've got on the card to your PC or to a USB drive or anything like that. And then if you're sure that you really want to go ahead and format it, just select the format option there. And now it's just going to format the SD card. Do not remove it while it's being formatted. SD card set up. Your SD card is ready to be used. So yeah guys, you can go ahead and select the done option. So yeah, this was just my video showing you how to format your SD card in the brand new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. If this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. It's your boy the Android Doctor. See you in the next video. I'm out. Deuces.